Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to change username on TikTok. How you gonna do that? First of all, you have to open the TikTok here. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile icon here. After that, here you can simply click on edit profile. In edit profile, you will find many options here, which means your name and username. And if you click on your username, then here you can find the option of changing it, but you have to make sure that you can change your username once every 30 days, which means if you change your username, then you cannot change your username before 30 days. So you have to select that username which you can use it as your username for 30 days. In this way you can change your username without any problem. For example, if you change the username and if you click on save button here, then you cannot change your username before 30 days. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.